I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise Acts, and this is episode 197 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. John Heald, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, posts on his Facebook page where you can ask him questions. You can also compliment the crew and request stuff there as well. We focus on the questions. He answers the questions. We take the cool, the funny, the weird, the lies, the myths, and we put them here for you. So on today's episode, we're talking about, will Carnival ever do a smartwatch style sail and sign card? Does Carnival Celebration Key have ADA lifts in their pools? I missed the ship on embarkation day. Can I get on in Key West? I have a small suitcase. That's all I'm bringing. Do I have to give it to a porter? And does Carnival keep videos of the events they hold around the ship?
And this is straight from the Yak's mouth.
All right, question one. This cruiser wanted to know if Carnival will ever come out with a wrist-style sail and sign card, kind of like a smartwatch, so they don't have to carry the card and or use a lanyard. John said he does think they will. He doesn't know when, but with the march of technology goes on every day, so he's sure one day they will have to do this. I hope they keep the sail and sign cards, and maybe, or at least give you a commemorative sail and sign card or something, because we save them for every cruise, and we hang them on our Christmas tree for Christmas, and we just like them as a memento. And I agree, the lanyards, they're a pain in the butt. So as long as they offer both options or a commemorative card, I think that would be great. Question two. This cruiser is going to Celebration Key and wanted to know if they have the ADA lifts in the pools around Celebration Key. John said yes, they do, and it's in the lagoon area. So they have the lifts, you could get in the pool, and they can lift you back out. Nice and easy. Very helpful, actually. Question three. This cruiser wanted to know if you missed the ship on embarkation day, but the first port is Key West, also in the US, can you get on board there instead? John said no. You not be possible because it is a breach of the Jones Act. So plan accordingly. We've heard a lot of people, ourselves included, say it. Try to get there the day before, so if you like getting on your cruise, get there a day before, and then you can get on your cruise. You don't got to worry about planes, delays, all that kind of stuff. Get there early. But no, you can't get on in Key West. Speaking of if you like what you see and you enjoy cruising content, please like and subscribe. We would greatly appreciate that. On to question four. This cruiser said they're only bringing a small suitcase on board. Can they roll it around the ship and roll it onto the ship themselves, or do they have to check it in with the porters? John said, of course you can, provided it fits through a regular sized airport scanner. If they are bigger than that, it needs to be checked in. So basically anything that is a carry-on style that the airplanes will allow, you don't have to give it to the porters. You can actually bring it on the ship. Last question. This cruiser asked if Carnival keeps videos of the events. They happened to be called out onto center stage on the sunrise, and they wanted to see the video so badly. John said no, he's afraid they do not. Perhaps someone on the ship, though, may have videoed it, but Carnival does not save the footage when they're filming. So it's just for broadcast onto the screens. They don't actually record it. Sorry. Hopefully you're in a Facebook group and you can ask somebody if they happen to have video. That'd be cool for you. I don't know. It can't hurt to ask. That's been episode 197 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. Thanks for watching. Please take care.